Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 630 and let me show you how to add lock screen to this device. At first you have to reach the settings. Then click on lock screen and mark password icon. And here you can provide the password that you would like to use. So let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to re-enter it just to confirm and then tap on done. And that's it. Here you can also customize when the password is required, so it can be required each time, each 30 seconds, 1, 3, 5 minutes, 15 or 30 minutes. I will leave it this way. So as you can see from now on, once you want to unlock your device, you will have to provide the password that you entered. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.